Alright guys, so good morning everyone, back to another day, so day 6 of the challenge. I hope you guys liked the video yesterday where I dropped, and yeah, I'm just at a service station now, quick charge, so I'm using the DC charger. Take me roughly about, maybe say, what are you looking at, maybe 10 minutes stops, you know, for a full charge. They give you 145 mile range on this, so not too bad. So quick charge guys, pop in the service station, get a quick brew and then just sit and wait really. So let's go. Yeah, I'm off to London, I have to do some errands, and I'm just gonna take you around my day in London, and well, obviously with the guidelines and everything, yeah, but I'm gonna go for a little exercise, yeah. Let's put it that way. Normally I don't go for Americano, but I'm like super tired today. You know I'm a green tea person, don't want to get copyrighted by the music in there. So guys, I go outside. As I said before guys, so couldn't really speak much inside because I've got the music playing. I'll definitely get copyrighted. I don't want that, mate. Put in so much work in a video and then get copyright for that. Not long left guys, I got what, 75%. So another 3 minutes and I'm done and dusted it. Anyway, guess what I got? State beat, man. Not something what I would normally go for, but however, I'm like super tired right now, super knackered. And in the end of the day, it's PTI's favorite. Don't let them lie to you, yeah? Most of them love their fatty food anyway. And when they come in front of you, they like literally, ta-da! Walk around in a little tight vest. Nah, I'm just joking. And some black coffee. Alright guys, so just pull up outside my house now and just gonna grab my stuff, get in, cook some food for later, and maybe try and do a banana cake. One of my favorite, my G. My neighbor just texted me just now, just got a text message from my neighbor. So every Saturday, yeah, my neighbor always cooks soup and she always asks me for my soup, so this is what she said, yeah. Morning Fabian, I am making soup today, carrot, coriander with some other vegetable thrown in if you're interested. Damn right I'm interested. So yeah, her soup tastes really delicious. She's like what? I think she's 85-year-old, but so nice, man. Such a nice person, honestly. And yeah, literally gonna accept the request. Send my request in. I'm gonna try and keep this vlog short and simple, to be honest. Hope you guys enjoyed yesterday guys, and you know, with the question, something new, never done that on my channel before, so hope you guys go and watch it and keep supporting the thing. Also remember, go over to Dan's channel as well, and I think he did a room tour. I'm watching it now. So they got a room tour. Yeah, so that's the vibe at the moment guys. Also, I'm waiting on the boiler inspector to come around. So it should say, he says it's gonna be here for the next 20 minutes. So I'm just waiting on him to come through. In the meantime, guys, just gonna get some soup, chill out for a bit, and then pick my speed back up on the vlog.
Darling, you send me. I know you. Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling,
Hot. Not too bad. For £1.85. Much better than going to Papa John and what's the place called? Pizza Hut. Spending what? Nearly about £15. This is a £1.85. Still good. Just waiting on my soup. Top it off. I think that's the doorbell. Goodness. And the soup right here. That's just pure goodness right there. Take some of that boy and leave back some for later. Yeah, man. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be a bit transparent with you. So what happened was, this is a drone, yeah? This drone doesn't belong to me. This one right here, this is a baby drone, this is a dainty drone, yeah? So I'm gonna show you my drone. Wait a minute. So this is my drone. Yeah, so you can see the size difference, yeah? I'll show you. So look on it. So this one belong this one belonged to Dan, and this one belonged to me. So what happened is, this one doesn't allow you to fly at certain places. This one can. So basically, when I got this drone from Dan, he was happy to lend it to me. So I was flying it yesterday, guys, and what happened was, I did some slightly little maneuver. Yeah, the gimbal is good and everything, but this is what happened. So I don't know if you can see quite good. So that got snapped off, along with this one. Along with this one. And that's pretty much it. But apart from that though, everything does work. So I rang Dan yesterday. Well, we were both laughing about it. So what I did was, basically I went ordered some parts last night. I told him about it and he was like, yo, look, just cancel it. So I said, no mate, you know, you need them anyway. He's a good lad, so in the end of the day, it doesn't matter. If you're looking to invest in a drone as well, it's good to have these propellers. Yeah, you need them, because with this one as well, this one is a Maverick Air, so this one's quite small. So the thing with this one though, it doesn't have sensors. The only sensors you have is, yeah, so the sensors is these two right here, yeah, and there's no sensors around it at all, nothing. That's the only sensor they got on it, yeah. On this one, you got sensors here, you got sensors where else? At the back here, got sensors at the front, 1, 2. How big it is. It's huge, it's humongous compared to Dan's. Look at this, two different. So that's mine, this is Dan. You could literally fit this in here 1.5 times. But this is really good though. But I ordered some stuff off Amazon. I'm just waiting on the postman to come through, drop those off, and then I can fix it up and give it a fly later. The light is holding up outside, it's not too bad. It's not pitch black, so yeah, that's how it goes. Anyway, let's eat my soup first, my friend. Get something in my tum-tum, warm me up, because outside it look nice, but it's freezing out there. So yeah, let's go, soup time. Yeah, remember guys, this is London. You see like the countryside, yeah? We don't see no one on the road, so it's gonna be a lot of people out today. Doesn't feel like COVID is on, the way people moving back and forth. But anyway, I'm just gonna go down now to see one of my friends. He's gonna do a bit of flying with his FPV, I think, drone. So his drone is like a sport drone, so it's totally something different. Yeah. So Not far away, shouldn't be long. So this down here, guys, is called Blackheath. Blackheath, good old village. Quite busy, as you can see. Some people with masks, some don't. It's one of them things. Come true, love. Alright guys, so just arrived at my destination. Pull up. The geezer is here, the big man himself. He's gonna do a bit well, I'll make him introduce himself. You know what I mean? Beautiful day, guys. Freezing. Got about 20 layers on.
How are you?
This is why this keto good. You have so many batteries out, mate.
Hi guys, I'm James and I fly FPV drones. It's a hobby that I've been doing for a while, and yeah, unlike normal DJI drones that you might be used to, it has no stabilization. You can get some really cool dynamic shots with it. So yeah, hopefully we're going to do some of that today.
I think how long it takes to set up though?
5 minutes.
5 minutes, alright. No rush though, mate, no rush.
But yeah, as I said, I'm not going to be able to fly so long. My batteries aren't fully
Yeah, fair play, mate. And as I said, guys, so the footage where you're going to see my video is going to come from him, yeah? Mate, when are you going to start a YouTube channel, mate? What's up?
I don't know how to edit videos.
I mean, you don't know how to edit video, come on now.
I've tried DaVinci Resolve on my computer.
Mate, if you can build this, come on now. Like, this guy's a joker. Check that.
Cool. Yeah, we're ready.
Ready to go.
Yeah.
So what's up, or you want to explain?
What's what?
Well, what as well?
So that's the GoPro that will record the HD footage, and so that's that. And then under here we have an FPV camera, which gives me a live feed to my goggles, so I can see what the drone's doing. And obviously that's the battery. You plug it in there, strap it on, nice and lightweight, and that's like an arming switch. So that basically means it's ready to fly, and you can see that it's starting to work. So
and that's what we're.
Yeah, the goggles in here, they have like a little screen inside that will show me exactly what's coming out of the front of that camera, so I can see what the drone's doing. So I'm going to take off.